everybody, it's Miss Susanne with SLP Play With Me. And today we're going to have phonology fun with the K sound with lots of exciting toys. And how does that have the K sound in it? Because I am shaking it. Does anybody remember how we can remind ourselves where the K and ga are in our mouth? That's kind of interesting. They are made inside our mouth. We bunch up our tongue like, see how my tongue goes back? So I can use that cue of bunching the tongue, or I can touch my throat lightly right here. And that's the cue we're going to use today. But if this one works better for you, then you choose that one. Ready? Let's hear it again. This is a toy that is shaking. Yay! And now I have a, what is it? It's a cat. And it's licking its face. Oh my goodness. It's a cat. Let's see what else I have. I have some puppet that is sometimes crazy. It's the chef and he's so wild and crazy. You like pizza pasta? Hey, Chef, today we're talking about words that have the K sound in it. Like one of our favorite puppets. Do you know who it is? It's Kenny. Kenny is with the K sound, the K sound. Let's see who else may have a K sound. Uh-oh, I have somebody. It's me. Bob, what's the issue? Bob, there's no issue today because saying the K sound is fun, even if you are cranky like Bob. Cranky, yes. And here's one of my favorite games. It is whack-a-mole. It is wacky. And somebody might like this. It's a fancy car. And we have another fancy car. And I have something you write with. Do you know what has a K sound in it and you can color and write with it? See if you can guess. It's a marker. That's right. And I also have a book and a jack in the box. So let's see if you can review and see where the sounds are at. I'm going to pick a bunch of them out and you see where it's at. So this is Kenny. And this is the guy, Bob, who is cranky. And then we have our favorite toy, which is whack-a-mole. And then we have a guy who is wild and crazy. You like pizza pasta? And we have a sweet little meow kitty cat, a cat that is licking her face. And we have the shaking toy. Hope you had fun and find your own toys that have the k sound as well. Remember, you can say your k by cueing with a tongue back and bunched, k, or right here, k. Have a great time, and remember that you are smart, beautiful, nice, good, and talented, and life is fun. Have a great day and see you soon.